Hey there, everyone! Today, we're going to talk about some natural ways to relieve stress and anxiety. So, if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, stick around, because we've got some helpful tips for you. First up, let's talk about deep breathing. When you're feeling stressed, take a moment to inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, and then exhale for 4. Repeat this process for a few minutes, and you'll start to feel more relaxed. Next, let's move our bodies. Exercise is a great way to release feel-good hormones that can help reduce stress. So, go for a walk, hit the gym, or do some yoga, whatever gets you moving. Now, let's stay hydrated. Dehydration can actually increase anxiety and fatigue, so make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. Next, let's sip on some herbal teas. Chamomile, green tea, and lavender are all great choices for helping you relax. Now, let's listen to some calming music. Music has a powerful effect on our mood, so put on some soothing tunes and let them wash away your stress. Finally, let's step outside. Nature has a powerful calming effect, so take a few minutes to enjoy the fresh air and the beauty around you. And lastly, let's write it down. Sometimes, just getting our thoughts out of our heads and onto paper can help us feel more relaxed. So, grab a journal and start writing. There you have it, folks. 7 natural ways to relieve stress and anxiety. Give them a try and see which ones work best for you. Remember, it's important to take care of yourself and find ways to manage your stress. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more helpful tips and advice. Take care, and see you next time.